So here we are again, Tales with Truman. And we're going to try and get up close to some type of long-legged bird up there. But I'm going to keep the camera rolling because if this thing takes off, it'll be a once-in-a-lifetime experience for those of you that have never seen that big bird fly. So we're going to see if we can not spook it and get closer. So it's right on the near edge of the green business. There are a couple little ducks swimming by it. I don't know what type of bird that is, but we'll find out. We'll find out. Come on, Truman. Let's get in there a little closer. Let's see what's going to happen here. That bird is probably going to get scared off by us, but we'll see. There are a whole bunch of turtles again. I keep thinking of turtle soup, but that's not politically correct, so let's just go down here a little further and see if this bird takes wing. Truman's giving me a little pull here, so that bird may pick up and go before long. Otherwise, we're going to just sit here and watch it. Sorry, Truman was eating something he shouldn't.